Hello, and welcome to Hello Simple English. My name is Ricky. I am very happy you are here today. In this lesson, we are at a restaurant. We will practice simple English conversation, easy words, slow speaking, perfect for beginners. Emma is here to help us practice English. Hello, Emma.
Hello, Ricky. Thank you for inviting me. I am very happy to be here.
Emma, are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's begin. Emma, where are we now?
We are at a restaurant.
Very good. Is this restaurant busy or calm?
It is calm. It is quiet and comfortable.
Nice. I like calm restaurants.
Me too. I like to sit, relax, and talk.
Emma, are we sitting at a table now?
Yes, we are sitting at a table.
What do you see on the table?
I see a menu on the table. I see a glass of water, and I see a napkin.
Very good. These things are common in a restaurant. Emma, are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat something simple, maybe pasta or a sandwich.
That sounds good. Simple food is great for today. Now, let's practice together. You can listen and repeat at home. We are at a restaurant. We are sitting at the table. We have a menu.
We are ready to order food.
Emma, now we are sitting at the table. We have the menu. We are ready. The waiter comes to our table. He is friendly and polite. The waiter asks, "Can I get you something to drink?" This means, "Do you want a drink?"
Yes, I would like some water, please.
Very good. This is a polite answer. The waiter asks another question. He says, "Still or sparkling water?" Still water means no gas. Sparkling water has gas.
I would like still water, please.
Excellent. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Can I get you something to drink? I would like some water, please. Good job. You are doing very well. The waiter listens and smiles. He asks another question. He says, "Would you like anything else to drink?"
Yes, I would like a coffee, please.
Perfect. That is a very common sentence. The waiter understands. He goes to get the drinks. Emma, how do you feel?
I feel good. The English is simple. I understand.
That is great. Ordering drinks is easy. Now let's practice one more time. I would like a coffee, please. I would like some water, please. Excellent. Now we will order food from the menu, slowly and step by step. Relax. Keep listening.
Now we are ready to order food. We are still sitting at the table. The menu is open in front of us. Take a deep breath. Relax. This is simple English. The waiter comes back to the table. He looks at us and asks a question. The waiter asks, "What would you like to eat?" This question means, "What food do you want?"
I would like a hamburger, please.
Very good, Emma. That is a perfect sentence. I would like is polite. Please makes it even better. Now listen carefully. The waiter asks another question. He says, "How would you like your hamburger?" This question is about how the meat is cooked. Let me explain slowly. Rare means very red. Medium means cooked in the middle. Well done means fully cooked. Emma chooses her answer.
I would like it well done, please.
Excellent choice. Very clear English. Now it is my turn. I am the host. I will order food too. I would like pasta, please. The waiter listens carefully. He asks another question. He says, "Would you like a side dish?" A side dish is extra food. For example, fries or salad.
Yes, I would like fries, please.
Great. Very natural English. Now let's practice together. Listen and repeat after me. What would you like to eat? Pause. I would like a hamburger, please. Pause. I would like pasta, please. Pause. How would you like it? Pause. I would like it well done, please. Pause. Excellent. You are doing very well. The waiter smiles. He writes everything down. Then he asks one final question. He says, "Anything else?" This means, "Do you want more food?"
No, thank you.
Perfect. No thank you is polite and common. The waiter leaves the table. The food will arrive soon. Emma, how do you feel now?
I feel confident. Ordering food is easy.
That is great to hear. We will talk about problems and how to ask for help politely. Stay relaxed. The food is on the table now. Everything smells very good. I look at my plate. I see pasta. It is hot.
My hamburger looks great. The fries are golden and hot.
Before we eat, there is something important. In English, we often say something polite. We say, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal, Ricky.
Thank you, Emma. You too. Now let's talk about a very common situation. Sometimes something is not right with the food. This is normal, and it is okay to speak. For example, the food is cold, or the food is not what you ordered.
Yes, that happens sometimes.
So let's learn simple English to ask for help. The waiter comes back to the table. He asks, "Is everything okay?"
Not really. My food is cold.
Very good sentence. Simple and clear. You can also say, "Excuse me." This is a polite way to get attention.
Excuse me, my food is cold.
Perfect. The waiter listens. He wants to help. He says, "I'm sorry about that." Then he says, "I will fix it."
Thank you very much.
Great. Always say thank you. Now let's practice together. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
My food is cold.
My food is cold.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Now another situation. Sometimes you want something extra. For example, more water.
Yes, I need more water.
In English, you can say, "Can I have more water, please?"
Can I have more water, please?
Perfect pronunciation. Very polite. The waiter brings more water. He smiles. Eating out is not stressful. With simple English, it is easy.
I feel more confident now.
That is the goal. Confidence comes with practice. Now we finish our food slowly. We enjoy the moment. Later, we will ask for the bill. That is also very simple.
We are almost finished eating now. The plates are empty. The food was good.
Yes, everything was very tasty.
Now we are in another very common situation. We want to pay. In English, we ask for the bill. We say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please?
Very good. Slow and clear. Sometimes people also say, "Can I get the check, please?"
Can I get the check, please?
Great. Both are correct. The waiter brings the bill. He puts it on the table. Now let's talk about money. In the United States, people often pay with a card, credit card, or debit card.
I want to pay with a card.
Then you say, "I will pay with card."
I will pay with card.
Perfect. Sometimes you pay with cash.
I will pay with cash.
Very good. Now something important in the United States, the tip. A tip is extra money for good service.
Yes, people talk about tips a lot.
Usually, people give about 15% to 20%. You don't need to say much, you just leave the tip. Now the waiter comes back. He says, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Then he says, "Have a nice day."
Have a nice day.
Excellent. Now let's practice together. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
I will pay with card.
I will pay with card.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Very good job. Today we learned many useful things. We learned how to order food. We learned how to ask for help. We learned how to pay.
I feel more comfortable now.
That is great. English becomes easy with practice. Next time, we will talk about another real situation, something simple, something useful. Now we leave the restaurant. We walk outside.
The street is busy.
Yes, cars, people, and lights. Now we talk about directions. This is very useful English.
Yes, I want to know where we are going.
You can ask, where is the bus stop?
Where is the bus stop?
Good. You can also ask, where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
Perfect. When someone helps you, you say, thank you.
Thank you.
Now another sentence. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Excellent. Now someone answers. They say, it is over there.
It is over there.
Very simple. They can also say, go straight,
Go straight.
or turn left,
Turn left.
or turn right.
Turn right.
Very good. Now let's practice slowly. Excuse me,
Excuse me,
where is the bus stop?
where is the bus stop?
Go straight,
Go straight.
turn left.
Turn left.
Perfect. English is not hard. It is step by step.
Yes, I feel calmer now.
That is good. Calm is important. We will stop here today. Listen again, repeat again. English grows with time. You know, Emma, I really liked that restaurant.
Yes, me too. The food was good.
And the place was calm, not too loud.
I like calm places.
Me too. It is easier to talk. The waiter was friendly.
Yes, he was very nice.
In English, we say, the service was good.
The service was good.
Great sentence. You can also say, I liked the food.
I liked the food.
Or, the food was very good.
The food was very good.
Perfect. Now we are just talking, like friends. This is how English works in real life.
Yes, simple words.
Simple words are powerful. When you leave a place, you can say, we will come back.
We will come back.
Very natural. You can also say, I recommend this place.
I recommend this place.
Excellent. Talking about places you like is very common.
Yes, people talk about food a lot.
Food connects people. Now let's do a small review. Today we talked about food, ordering food, paying, and talking about the place. Listen again, repeat again.
You are doing great.
Before we finish, let's remember something important.
Yes, let's review.
Today we talked about a restaurant. We learned how to say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Good. We learned how to order food. I would like a hamburger.
I would like a hamburger.
Very good. We learned how to ask for help. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Perfect. We learned how to pay. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent. And we learned how to talk about the place. The food was good.
The food was good.
The service was good.
The service was good.
Great job. This is real English. Simple, useful.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
That makes me happy. If you listen again, you will understand more. Repeat the sentences. Speak slowly. You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to practice.
Exactly. Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for listening.
Next time, we will talk about another situation, something very common.
Something from daily life.
See you next time.
See you next time.